really enjoyed just doing 4 sessions just with Jan, just an introductory course to his, it seems like a very creative type of Qigong and introduction to the meridians and to the 4 seasons that we were introduced to as an introduction to the 12 meridians. It just all had a beautiful flow and a beautiful freedom to it, and lovely movement practices that we learned, and self-massage practices that we've been learning, and it's been really enjoyable. I really recommend it to everyone.